By clicking on the Enable Accessibility tool on the Trust website, you can start the Recite Me application, which provides a range of tools to support users with accessibility and language needs. This includes an audio reader for all the pages and the ability to change the font size and style to suit you. Your browser will also remember the preferences set for the next time you visit the website. You can alter the colour contrast that works best for your needs, and there are 2 types of ruler tool to assist reading. The language translation options offers a large range of languages, and those with a speaker icon are also available in audio reader mode. The translations are created by Google Translate, so please be aware it may not provide perfect translation. Users can enable text mode to simplify the website and download pages or audio. The magnifying glass can enlarge specific areas of the website. The settings allow you to change the reading speed of the audio reader, amend the voice and alter how the reader begins, autoplay or playing when you hover over text. You can remove the options selected with the Reset button. A full guide is available to get the most out of the tool. Please take a moment to visit the website and explore the tool so you can understand what it offers, raise your awareness, and support patients and visitors with communication needs.